What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another edition of As Told by Bree. For those of you who are new here, I am Bree and I live in Atlanta. And today we're back with another video. And this time we're doing a bedroom tour. I know it's been a minute. But I'm back and I'm super excited to show you guys my bedroom updates because this is like my second or third time decorating my bedroom or redecorating my bedroom since I've been in this apartment. So I'm super excited. I love the way that I styled it and I hope that you guys love it too. So if you're new here, make sure you do all the things like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, I know y'all didn't come here to hear me talk, so let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright, I'm going to give y'all a quick pan of my bedroom. So gorge. Everything is like black, gray, white. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know me. If you follow me, if you've been here for a while, then you know how we get down over here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this party started. So let's start here. The main attraction, the star of the show, the bed. Okay, so I have a queen-sized bed with white sheets, white comforter. The comforter is from Home Goods, believe it or not. And my sheets are from a brand that I work with called Slay Shop. They're based out of the UK. I have four white pillows kind of stacked on top of each other. So two on this side and two on this side. And one hack to having like a full and fluffy pillow set is to double stuff your pillow. So each one of my pillowcases has two pillows inside of it. So it's just a hack for making it look a little bit more full and make your bed setup look a little bit more luxurious. Okay. Pillows, baby. Listen, we love a good choppable set of pillows. These pillows are from IKEA. They were very affordable. I definitely recommend going to IKEA for your pillow inserts. They have down-filled pillows. These pillows are 18 by 18 and the inserts are 20 by 20 if I'm not mistaken. I usually upsize a little bit with my pillow inserts only because like I want a really full look. This pillow is from TJ Maxx. I put it this way because I just want a plain gray aesthetic. I don't want this pattern on the back to show. Y'all wouldn't know it was there if I didn't show y'all. So yeah, I just like it like that. Alrighty, moving over to the nightstand. This lamp, I wrapped it in marble contact paper. So this is contact paper, but nobody would know. Nobody would ever know. But yes, contact paper, baby. This hourglass. Oh, this is an OG Home Goods pickup. Like, it's been years, baby. It's been years. And then down here we have my watch collection. And I gotta pull this one out. I gotta pull this out and show y'all what we're working with. Okay, so this is my watch box from Amazon. And I can link it down below. I'll link everything that I can down below. But I'm really proud of my watch collection. I have a running collection of 5 now. Most of them are from a black-owned brand called Italian Twine. I've been working with Italian Twine for a while. I started as an influencer for them, and now I handle all of their influencer marketing efforts. So my collection now sits in this watch box, and then on the bottom of this watch box, there's like, you know, the little jewelry part. So keep some of my jewelry down there. If I had to choose a favorite, it would definitely be the silver and gold. The gold is a close second, and then maybe the black and gold, and then the black. This is an old watch. Like, this is, these are my grown watches. This is just like a little play watch. But yeah, so moving on. Alrighty, this picture on the wall is from Ross, baby. It was like 30 bucks. It's pretty big. If I had to guess the measurements, I would say maybe 24 by 36. Maybe even 30 by 40. It's pretty big. It came with, originally when I got it, it had a frame around it, but I dropped it one day and the frame came off. So it now no longer has a frame. And this is actually a picture that I used to have in my bathroom. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you may have seen this in a lot of my reels, or if you follow me on TikTok, then you've definitely seen this in my TikToks. My TikTok is At Home with Bree, if you're interested in following me there, and my Instagram is BriannaJWeaver, BriannaJWeaver. Alrighty, moving down here. This is from Amazon. I have two. I have one in my living room and I have one in my bedroom. Obviously, it serves as a really cute throw blanket and really brings out that gray in the walls, as well as complements that pillow extraordinarily well. And it still has a hint of black in it, so it just goes really well with the overall aesthetic in the room. So right here we have my tray. I've had this for years too. It's kind of old and dingy, to be completely honest with you, but I just like it. I think it's a great addition to the bed. And on here I just have a few things. I have this reed oil diffuser. I have my YSL Libre. I have another perfume, and then I also have this room spray. So cute, huh? So stinking cute. Alrighty, moving along. So over here we just have some decorative magazines. As y'all see, RH, y'all know the vibes. RH, all the girls know about RH now. It's no longer an exclusive thing. It's just restoration hardware. And on this side, similar, same exact nightstand. I have a sculpture here, like just a little fixture, same lamp, and then I have my little Amazon Home Alexa vibes going on. I keep my subwoofer down here for my speaker. Oh, and the mirrors. The mirrors. So the mirrors are from Target, like in the back to school section. Yeah, make sure you go copy some, sis. Alrighty, so moving over this way. I actually hate these pictures. Like, I do not like these pictures. I'm so ready to switch them out. But it's a gallery wall that I put together. So we have picture lights on each side. And these are pictures that I printed off of Etsy. For those who don't know, the shameless plug, Etsy is a website. You can get pretty much everything, sis. But I use it for when I'm looking to print out photos. And I printed out all of these super cheap, maybe like $4 or something like that. Like I said, picture lights on both sides. Picture frames are from Dollar Tree. Yes, make sure you shop at Dollar Tree if you're looking for anything affordable. Picture frames, paint, glassware. Make sure you always check Dollar Tree because you may be surprised at what you can find in there. This mirror, I want to say this is also from Target. Alrighty, moving right along. We have our Naked Scents candle. I love this candle. It is a concrete candle and it is so gorgeous. Get into the texture. Get into the texture. Love that. Listen, this ain't no cheap candle either. And, this I got from Target a long time ago. It came in black and I just painted it. Okay, this book. So, unlike the restoration hardware that the girls are all over, this book is also another complimentary book that I got from my friends over at, hold on, I'm trying to show y'all, Rolex. So this is a hardback. I want to say it's their 2021-2022 collection, and I kind of just open it up to whatever page I want it to be opened up to. We'll just stop here for now, but yeah. I typically like to go with the pages with the bigger faces. Whatever. I don't have time for this right now. But yeah, I usually just sit here. Moving on. Super, super cute over here. I got this tray from HomeGoods. If you follow me on Instagram, then you saw that I recently bought this and I spray painted these handles. These handles actually came in gold and I spray painted them to just match my aesthetic. So this is a reed oil diffuser that I got from Amazon, and this candle is from Hotel Collection. I'm also an influencer for Hotel Collection, so I will definitely link my link down below if you are interested in copying a Hotel Collection candle. Alrighty, and last but not least, one of my most favorite DIY projects. We have this, I don't even know what you would call these. Anywho, we have 4 canvases here, and I just use plaster. So for those who aren't familiar with plaster, basically if you're moving out your apartment and you need to fill in any holes in the walls, you would use plaster to cover them up. So that's what we use. So it kind of gives us like this texture, and really the texture makes the art with this. Like the texture definitely makes the art, and when you do this, it comes out in like a white beige kind of color, but I spray painted over that. I made sure that they were black, and honestly I think that they look really good. I'll zoom out for y'all a little bit and I'll straighten them up because listen, I'm not even gonna sit here and pretend like everything is perfect, because if you know, you know. Everything ain't always perfect. Give y'all a little close up. Yeah, like that's the texture. That's the texture. So y'all see it. It's really cute. It's always a vibe in here. Alrighty, so these are the vibes at night. It gets a lot darker in here. It's still daylight outside, and if y'all can see, I have this little crack here that kind of brings in a lot of light, and even though I put my lampshades down in my living room, you can still see it. Anyway, that's beside the point. These are the nighttime vibes. Alright, y'all, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my bedroom tour, and of course, I'm back. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!